Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G31, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to choose Connected Devices, tap on Pair New Device and wait for a bulb ones to show up. When they do, click on desired one, like that one, and wait for the pop-up. Select Pair Init and wait for this device, in my case Motorola, to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by tapping on this gear icon next to the device and choosing Forget. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!